Perspective taking is the acceptance that your way may not be the only way. How do you prefer your adobo? How do you prefer? Raise your hand if you want it na may sabaw. Alright? Yung iba dry. Diba? And that's because we assume that even if there are different ways of cooking it, it's fine. And we cannot call off someone and saying, that's wrong. That's not the way to cook adobo. Of course, there are still standards, just like in life. It can't be called adobo without soy sauce. The rest, maybe you can play around. But those are the standards. And just like in life, just like in the corporate world, we allow people to have a level of creativity, but there are still minimum standards to also cover, especially in your industry, when there are certain protocols to follow. It's the practice of casting a healthy amount of doubt that your take on an issue may be wrong and you need to validate it first, and that other people may be right. And if they happen to be right, it's fine. You don't need to be first honors in class all the time either.